my wife said I should get my hearing checked. So we went to a place to do that. They put me in a booth with headphones on. The guy through the headphones says, "You're going to hear words electronically through the headphones. Let us know what word that is, and that's how we can check your hearing. Ready to go?" "Yeah." "All right, here we go. Here's the first word. Chamasjutban." "What do you want from me?" What word was that?" "Was it Chuzamahazadma?" "No, I'm going to say Chumahazamahaza. No, put me down for Chumahaza Chuzahamaza." No. What word did that sound like?" "It didn't sound like a word." "I'm going to play it again. You got to tell me what word it most closely sounds like. All right, here we go. Chicken musket." "Chicken musket." I swear, he and my wife go, I'm like, "I can see you. I can't hear, but I can see."